Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can remove your GoPro camera lens cover for the GoPro 5, 6, 7 or 8. Now you can see this one here is already open. I'm just going to close it. Now for the first time for you to open this lens, it can be a little bit difficult, but after a couple of times it will become easier. Now in order for you to open this, you need to twist it anti-clockwise. So you need to twist it this way and you need to pull out. So while twisting, you also need to pull out. So make sure that you pull out this way. What I would want to do is put your finger nails in the gap right here, just to kind of like give it a movement. So kind of like put it in your fingernail in here somewhere on the corner and allow it to move out a little bit. So once it moves out a little bit, you can see there's a small gap right there. So make sure it is move out like that. It does need to have that little gap to make it easier for you to twist and turn. Now I'm going to be honest with you and say it's going to be hard. It's not going to be easy to twist, but if you force it like this, it will eventually twist and turn. And once it's turning, you can just take it out just like that. And then you can remove it and then put it back in. So put it back in this way. Do not put it in this way or that way. It has to be at that angle, and then make sure it's aligned up correctly, and then you can just kind of like push it back in. So again, you need to be at the right angles. If it's not at right angles, then you won't be able to close it properly. So here it is. I'm just going to try to align it correctly here, and then while you put it back in, make sure you push down and twist at the same time. So I'm just going to try to do it now. So again, push down and twist. Make sure it's at the angle. Push down and twist. And there it is. And so let's, when you open, remember, pull out this way and then twist. It will be hard. You might have to do it like that. So have your finger just down here and then your thumb up here and then just twist it really hard. And eventually it will turn. And that's it. So that's how you can open it. And then again, put it back in and then twist it. If you don't do it correctly, it will not fit. So make sure that you put it in the right way and then push down. And that's it. So here again, I'm going to try it once more. And then push in and then turn. So push in and then turn. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.